when the company started in 2006, Paul Williams was our co-founder and CEO, and Jason is now the president and CEO. And they came up with an idea and a plan to be a corporate provider of capacity into a specific segment of the trucking industry. And then as we grew and as the needs and the desires changed with the people that we were servicing, we ended up formulating a program with products, with services, benefits, tools, and advantages to help those people be successful in trucking. And so if you ask why we got started, it was basically to service and to help people to be successful in trucking.
Our focus is to help one person at a time become profitable and successful, again, whatever that means to them. But in order to do that, they have to have a voice, they have to have a community, they have to have buying power, they have to have staying power. And all of that takes a group of people, not just one person to get that done. So what we hope to do inside the industry is create a community that's a safe harbor for people to come in and start, try, see what success looks like, and move forward. So we've been doing business with Dobbs for a number of years, but the relationship really took off in the COVID time period where allocation hit. They were not looking for a 10 truck order or a 50 truck order. They were looking for a year-over-year commitment to build a relationship. And so they brought trucks, they brought some financing offerings to the table, but they also brought service package, they brought parts pricing, they brought a footprint, a network. And so we got started buying trucks, but we have grown into something much more than simply purchasing trucks from them. It's grown into a nice relationship that's enabling our people to generate and be profitable business owners.
Just to add a couple of things to that is one of the biggest values is you have people in trucking that want to help other people in trucking, and they understand the drivers in the trucks, the operators in the trucks, and that makes a world of difference when you start talking about working with someone and working with the truck supplier. They need to understand the truck, but not just the truck and the mechanics of it, but the people behind the wheel.
So most of the vendors we have are large players. Unfortunately, because we're a national service provider, we cannot really do business with a one truck, or one dealership network. We need people who can bring their own buying power into the community, and it takes the right personality or culture to do that.